Alright, welcome back to my channel. This morning we're going to make steaks. And I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook some carrots and onions. I like to use the baby carrots because they do not take as long to get done. And so I have the oven preheating to 350. I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce in here. Say that 5 times real fast. Just to give this some moisture. You can put a little bit of oil on it. Nope, the oven's ready. Alright, I'm going to let these get going first. And then after about 30 minutes, I'm going to add the steaks on top. And we'll put a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'm using the Kansas City style barbecue sauce. Then of course soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. These are just some onions I'm going to use as garnishment on top. So I go ahead and put wax paper down on most everything. It makes the cleanup a tons better. And it's cheaper than using the oven bags or crock pot bags, things like that. So, alright, we'll see you in a few. Alright, these are done. I have a few minutes to spare, but these are already fork tender. Of course, I didn't have very many in there. About a half a bag of carrots and some onions. But they're already fork tender and ready. I just use my knife. Pick this up. I may end up picking up my fingers with my fingers. And then lay these on top of the carrots and onions. It's just Ricky and I today for dinner, but I try to fix a little extra he can snack on or have for lunch later. Well. Alright, take the paper off of it. So I have all of those in there. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more soy sauce. Just right over the top of everything. And then a little bit more Worcestershire sauce. It doesn't have to be a certain brand to me. I know those are good. I've used them before. And then on top, I'm going to go ahead and put some Kansas City style barbecue sauce. This is the original. Alright, and this is going to go back in the oven about 20 minutes. And then after it's done, I'll cut up some of the chives and put on it, and it'll be ready.